wait here until you come out. Let me know if you need anything.
Oh, okay.
Like, okay, Mom.
Oh, for God's sake.
Don't do it.
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Is he showering with his boxing
Madison.
Yeah.
Are you staying in the hotel?
No, I live in town. I suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get too exhausted, I come and spend a night here.
I'm just passing through.
Let's snoop through
And
his
what
stuff.
else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
I'm an architect.
Nothing
Nothing important in there.
Nope. Yeah, actually, I've never actually seen
Thanks for
anybody
staying.
snoop through his jacket like that.
I feel
They find that
better
origami figure. I wonder what would have happened if he caught you doing that when he walked
Okay.
out.
Huh.
Like if you were in the middle of doing that when he walks out.
I better get going then. By the way, you never told me your name.
Ethan.
Be careful, Ethan.
Oh, alright. Control's back over to me now.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Anywho.
That was a nice lady.
Anyway, oh thank God she didn't see in my box. Okay.
Alright. So we got the first trial done. What's the next trial? What's number 2?
Okay. Oh God.
What was number 2? I actually forgot.
Oh fuck.
I'm trying to think, like, how many trials are there?
5.
What?
You are prepared to suffer to save your son.
That's number 2. Right.
The old power plan. Huh. Oh God.
Now I remember.
Oh, okay. I'll keep that cash for the road.
Leave the pills out in the open.
As well as the box. Surprised he didn't give me the prompt to, you know, hide the box in the desk or under the bed again.
Right.
Oh, Jaden.
Jaden!
Nam and Jaden.
Okay. Reminder to touch the pad button to access the control screen.
Okay.
God, this fly is just annoying the hell out of me. It's over there now, it's over there.
That's right, you killed the guy.
Was that the first time?
Sorry?
First time you killed somebody. It always does something to you the first time. Then you get used to it.
That's not a good mentality to have.
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
I'm not sure I want to get used to it. That's him.
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Shit!
Nope, we're not getting on.
Childproof lock!
God damn it.
Miroslav Korda? Yeah? Lieutenant Carter...
You're under arrest for too many piercings.
Way.
Like goatee. Throwing coffee.
Shit, don't just stand there. He's gonna get away.
Oh.
Hey,
Move it!
Okay, I know I hit up.
Yeah, it's like I know. I saw you.
Oh,
I hit triangle!
There you go.
Woo! Oh, okay, there we go.
Nice.
Okay, now everything's
Whoa,
responding.
nice. There you
Okay,
go.
so maybe it wasn't
Whoa.
your fit.
Wow, that poor lady.
Aw.
Just got a face full of flowers twice.
Oh.
No,
No, the
fruit!
produce! The produce! God!
Fuck that guy.
Oh,
Parkour!
Oh! Nope. Oh, thank God. The flowers are still intact. Oh, God.
That works.
Woo!
And
Gotcha.
there we go. Down you go. Oh.
Nope.
Oh, fuck off.
It's not over yet.
No, the fish!
No!
The fish!
They're already dead. Why must you make them go through more torture? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Chickens! What fucking grocery store has live chickens?
No, but that's like freaking like cuckoo loaves.
Oh, slaughterhouse.
Oh, God.
Meat storage. Oh boy, redemption!
Oh, God.
Where am I going?
Yeah, he's... Yeah. He's like...
It's like
No, he's not in that corner.
the ham will lead the way.
Where did he go?
Ow! I was waiting for... Honestly, I was kind of hoping he would, like, pop up, like, from one of those trash bins. And he just ran into... Oh!
Nailed
Oh, really? Pipes back.
Whoa. Fuck you. Quick, swing the meat right at him.
Nope.
Ooh, nice kick.
Wow.
Ow.
Ow.
Nobody wins the headbutt.
No.
Nope.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Mine now.
Nope.
Oh.
Damn. Okay, was that twirl really necessary? Come on, dude. Now he's being flashy.
Jesus.
You killed him.
This time it looks like we got our origami killer.
Wow, you out of breath.
Yeah.
What did you do? Oh. Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, that was anticlimactic.
And all it took was a few missed inputs.
Yeah.
Well, not even missed inputs. Just... Yeah.
Just a minor set. Oh,
Cat and mouse.
cat and mouse.
Oh.
Oh, what did I do? What did I do?
There's a bottle of scotch right there, so I mean.
It's like a changed baby.
And yet he wakes up at like 7. Wow, he must be an early drinker. It's like it's 7:44 right now, right? So it's like, damn.
An old-fashioned typewriter.
Yeah, really. Had to pick that up in an antique store because you never see those anywhere.
Yeah.
Not in this day and age.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
One for the road.
Yeah.
I like breathing. To my health.
Going for the road.
And drawer number 3. An old badge. So, he used to be a cop.
Oh. Okay.
And
A gun.
Take the gun.
Yes.
Or was this during that fucking convenience store?
That's
Yeah,
where I know
right?
that's where it's like, don't be fucking stupid. Take
Oh, that-
the fucking gun.
Well, I think in the convenience store, actually, there was a thought bubble you could have popped up where he said he had his gun, but he left it in the car.
Oh, I was gonna say, I was like, oh, that's where I left my gun.
I know that's where it's like, don't be stupid.
Well, nothing important in those files.
And now for the social eating part of the episode.
Now we're in Shelby's apartment, so we gotta get comfy. I'm sitting.
Oh, okay, that's enough sitting down.
You will not catch me sitting in silence for that long.
Okay, so now let's go sit on this couch.
I'm sitting.
Can't breathe with this goddamn humidity. Hope it stops raining soon.
Right?
Relatable.
Really?
I've seen the
It's
parents
raining
of all
here in
their
Momocon.
and all I've come up with is this.
Surprisingly, no. As of right now, like, not nearly as much as I thought it was.
Still day 0, because we haven't even hit the con yet.
I needed the rest. I haven't been sleeping well since the murder started up again.
Aw.
You try your best, Shelby. So you could use some paint touch-ups on your wall.
Oh, really?
Oh,
We got a photo.
Hello?
was a cop.
You know what Ethan's stories reminding me of so far?
What?
Ethan reminds me of Flint
Flint?
from Mother 3. And how he lost his son, and now he's gone mad, and now he's trying to protect his only other son.
I mean, he didn't lose Lucas.
I mean, yeah, he didn't lose him, and I'm gonna assume by the end of this,
Oh, someone's at the door.
he won't lose Sean.
Yeah, well, so much for getting my beauty rest. I gotta go answer the door.
Little ballerina twirl there.
I don't know, that's where it's like freaking jank controls.
You said I could
Hello.
contact you.
Oh, hey, you!
Can I come in?
Sure.
Looks like she's having some second thoughts.
Let me take your coat.
Yeah, let's be polite.
Yeah.
Let's show hospitality. I mean, this is also his office, so
Please take a seat.
Gotta be polite to the clientele.
Can we still offer her a drink? Okay, I guess not.
no water for you.
I just
We only get scotch here.
maybe it's not important.
Scotch is my
But a
water.
letter arrived in the mail the morning Johnny disappeared.
A letter? What kind of a letter?
It was addressed to Johnny's father. I don't know what was inside it, but he read it and then he left. That's the last time I saw him.
And you think there's a connection between that letter and Johnny's death, is that it? Do you remember anything else about the letter?
Well, I don't know why, but I kept the envelope.
What hell of a coincidence.
Wait a second.
Not particular. Except the address.
The address?
It was typed with an old typewriter. Could be a letter.
You have a typewriter! Oh my god! You're the killer!
No.
Actually, help, Lord. Let's look at least
Okay,
Wait,
sorry. I thought detective shows were easier
Sit
than that.
around. The man that killed my son. Ever since
Whoa, what a mystery!
I want to come with you. Help you in your investigation?
There's nothing you can do to help, Lauren. It's not a good idea. Believe me.
If you won't let me help you, I'm keeping the envelope.
What?
It's all or nothing.
That's called withholding evidence, lady.
Yeah.
Listen, an investigation like this is dangerous. And I don't have time to play the bodyguard.
How many
I'm already getting my
people
ass
have
kicked all the
you
time
got, Mr.
already.
Shelby?
Between
This envelope.
between your
Maybe
clients,
the only link to the
armed
killer.
gunmen, and
I
babies.
understand. It was a stupid idea. Sorry for wasting your time, Mr. Shelby.
Wait. You're really something special, Lauren.
What's that on her shirt?
I'll give you that.
Like is that a state?
I'm just
Yeah.
a mother who wants to
I
find
think,
out who killed her
maybe.
son.
I think you're right.
Are we partners?
Fine.
We're partners.